Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete photos from Google Photos without deleting it from your phone. So to do that, at first you need to go to a browser. I'm just using Google Chrome. Now in the browser, search for photos.google.com. After searching it, I'm just gonna delete a photo. Click on this icon here, delete, and click on move to bin. Now here you can see the photo is deleted. Now I'm just gonna go to my gallery, and here you can see it is still in my gallery. So guys, that's how you can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting it from your phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.